My name is Doris Mekali, and I'm the Youth and Student Representative to the High Level Steering Committee. You're going to be conducting consultations in Kibera, Mathare, Kayole, and Kangemi, and conducting one more consultation for young people from different universities that are going to be coming to Strathmore universities to ensure that all young people are given a voice that is going to feed into the Youth Declaration that will be submitted in New York during the Transforming Education Summit.
Hi, I'm Francis Odhiambo, or Franco Odhiambo, co-founder of Cheza Cheza Dance Foundation and also SDG4 Youth Network member.
My name is CynthiaUNTAMED. I am a youth leader with the Global Partnership for Education, and I will be leveraging on the power of storytelling to show how young people can be part of the process in transforming education.
We hope you'll have fun and learn from these voices that we're bringing.
Shule mingi unapata ziko kwa street huku mtaani. Hakuna mahali pa kucheza. Ikifika saa break mnasimama tu hivi kwa mlango ya class. Mnangoja tena bell ring mwanze na lesson nyingine.
Kwa walimu, ukienda kama ni shule, inafaa walimu wafunze venye inafaa approach watoto na wajue kiwango yenye watoto wanakaa.
Unajua kuna watu wengi shule wako more of computer lesson, but in our schools we don't have even one of laptops.
Some schools in Kibera, you will find that when they come out of schools, they have to go to the library to study. In their schools, they lack textbooks, set books.
Private schools here in Kenya or Kibra, you find like they don't have strategy. Like teacher may come in school just anytime she feels.
Kwa mashule, I think wanafaa kuongeza walimu shule pia.
The mother doesn't have money to pay for school fees. The teachers will tell the child to go home until he or she have money.
People can do dance, others can do other things now like music.
Quality ECD centers.
Na shule niko karibu na mimi, siendi shule, so nisipoenda shule sina knowledge.